опять в окно серый дым. Мысли о тебе санимо вино. Мы обречены помнить все, что натворили. Тяжело привычка номер один. И как мне тебя забыть, если меня без тебя половина, а люди проносятся мимо. Увы, среди них не найти мне того близкого половины. Так хотелось бросить курить, не спать, молчать, пытаться снова полюбить, но мне тебя. Так хотелось бросить курить, не спать, молчать, пытаться снова полюбить, но мне тебя. И этот день сделал еще холоднее эту осень. Видимо, не лучший день, не лучший день, чтобы бросить.
Я ждал всю жизнь сигнал любить. Тайм-аут, baby, тайм-аут. Увы, я знал, что ты сигнал любить. Тайм-аут, baby, тайм-аут. Увы, я пойму, если будет лучше. Я твой друг, если тебе нужен. Чувство есть оставить всех, думать о себе, послать их всех. Эгоизма нет, как бы ни клинило вечером. Буду один, это весело. Я не настроен взять эту боль. Трудно рассчитывать, когда ты ноль. Я ждал всю жизнь сигнал любить. Тайм-аут, baby, тайм-аут. Увы, я знал, что ты сигнал любить. Тайм-аут, baby, тайм-аут. Отложить календарь своих будней. Ты не успела, я бы тут тебе помог, но у меня нет идей. Может, нам повезет хоть один день. Нет, я так не думаю, не выношу уже, это не наше теперь. Как бы ни клинило вечером, буду один, это весело. Я не настроен взять эту боль. Трудно рассчитывать, когда ты ноль. Я ждал всю жизнь сигнал любить. Тайм-аут, baby, тайм-аут. Увы, я знал, что ты сигнал любить. Тайм-аут, baby, тайм-аут.
Okay, let's see here. Okay, let me set everything up for you guys. Okay, so hello, hope you are joining in. Hello Chicon, hello Bogotá, hello Paolo. Okay, everybody's joining. Hope you giving a like. Let's start. Today I was promoted to talent on Chroma. I'm pretty appreciate so much Folies and all Chroma for helping me out. I hope you are with me in this journey. And let's see where we get. Today we're gonna see if we can get any trades ongoing. We have Bitcoin that had this pump at the New York Open, broke all this zone we had here, creating these higher highs and then this reaction. So I thought this was gonna happen like they said on Asset Session, but they did it on London, and then they nasty broke it down again into range. So now we are range bounding. Value area low was from yesterday, was a reaction, so here we reclaimed it. So now we are strong, we have both point of control, and pretty interesting, we are in Nasdaq also above point of control. So all this being said, let me see if I can keep on. We're gonna trade the same accounts. We have some things for trading. We have KSX going here, this account, the 20% account going. So here, remember, we are trading 20% on this account. Remember the lowest fees in the industry for now. Pretty solid exchange. And also we have some here trading. Also we have some funds here also for trading. So let's see, this was a break even for the morning. I told on X on Chroma and also on the Telegram group. It was perfect. It hold. It did some bounce. I wanted to target this 105k again, but rejected. So break even trade. I'm gonna delay this. Remove. So I'm gonna move on to what we're trading here. Let's go back to ATAS. So let's see how we have 4 minutes for the open, guys. New talent, yeah, new talent on Chroma. Let's push this. Let's get better together. We are learning. The path here in trading and like in everything in life is learning of our mistakes and executing. I think a lot of people ask about psychology in trading and stuff. I think executing is the best part, and executing one trade on the other is something that will make you improve. I don't like how we have the camera here like this. Okay, yeah, let's stay like this. Okay, so let's move on. I have a small long on LTC. I'm looking for a sorry. I'm gonna move. Let me move notifications. I don't wanna distract things, so let me put that Telegram doesn't. Okay. Where is Telegram? Sorry, guys. Okay. No. So what I'm seeing on altcoins also, we want to see some acceleration. You see this acceleration on an altcoin? That's something that that's why I'm in this long. I was talking with Kane. He took me into this long and tell me why. Then Victor on Chroma told the same. I use this also, this strategy for altcoins. I want to go in on acceleration because acceleration accumulation like this will get up into a push. I will like something like this. So this I will put my settings here. I want to put where I would like to somehow TP some of my LTC long. But yes, let's move back to the open. 2 minutes, guys. Let's see if we get some impact, guys, and let me see if we can get any trade. For now, Bitcoin, I will look for Bitcoin deviation of this zone here, value area high. Will be the zone I will be looking. Let's move this. Remember that I put this on white, and I will put this on 1. So that will be the area we like to see a deviation and see what's happening. We already had the deviation on the lower part, so for now all the volume is here. Clusters look okay. So clusters look okay. You see this 2k trying to break this 2k delta, and then all the delta positive make a shift. So if now NQ starts bullish, we can see a rise. Okay, so this will be the play for Bitcoin. LTC, I will like, they didn't sweep this, so it's something to take in consideration. Sweep of this and see, but I would like to see LTC trading above these highs. And if Bitcoin reacts, it's completely positive. Possible that this happens, but let me see how we play. 1 minute, okay. Give a like, guys, to the stream. I want to prepare some more stuff. We will be trading every day live, and also remember that I need that Bogota and the others send the common refer links that we have now for KSEC trading. Also, we will be trading more exchange, but at the moment we're trading this one, and this is the open. So let's see how we open. NQ down ticking. Okay, let's put the music down. I don't want to listen this. Okay, we're gonna full focus, lock it in, guys, and see how these move. For now, Bitcoin is struggling. NQ is down ticking. LTC will be down ticking also, yeah. Okay. NQ lost this level. Oh, nasty. It's what I told on the stream of Victor, be careful because Nasdaq was absorbing pretty badly here on the up levels, and this could lead into a nuke. So in order to be bullish, we need to reclaim this, or this will nuke so badly. Oof, Nasdaq, guys. Remember, Nasdaq. Ugly, Ugly. Ugly, 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 ugly. Careful, I'm not longing with Nasdaq like this. Okay, this is our... Remember this, I want to put this like this. Okay, TPO. Okay, guys, so let's see if we can get any longs ongoing, guys. I would like to long if we reclaim. I'm looking more for a long than for a short, guys. So I know that we have this mark here. Here is value area low, but I would like more like a long here before than a short, because the short play, it could play, but the short play is more somehow possible that 369 I'm risking. I want to risk yeah, I want to risk $60 yeah. So yes, for now we are here, but Nasdaq nasty. Nasdaq is so nasty. I'm so scared of longing this. I'm so scared of longing these guys at the moment. So yeah. Actually, people that like to see SPX because the movement is more fluid, but I like to see more in Nasdaq now. Okay, we pumping. What the fuck? Okay. Okay, Devote, nice. Sikon, you see I have my soldier here. Sikon. Nice, Devote. I'm gonna ping this if I can. Ping this to the channel at the moment. Yeah. Actually, I would like to test. You need to give me feedback. If you like this exchange, in order there to give things, they will have feedback. Also, if we are trying another exchange, I don't know, I have no permanent with anybody. They treat me really well. I would trade with these fees here. Also, I'm trying on bluffing also, but at the moment, fees on Casex are amazing. So yeah. Oh my god! You see, this move was good, but Nasdaq going to the VWAP makes this move completely retrace. So that's what's happening now here. Let's see, LTC. Yeah, LTC struggling a little bit. If Bitcoin, oh my god, Nasdaq, guys, careful, careful. Monday, Black Monday, bro. Careful to Black Monday. Careful to Black Monday. Okay, let me see. If I want to long so badly, but nothing. Look, NQ, guys. NQ is crazy, eh? NQ is crazy, guys. So, oof, this delta, guys. Have you seen this? Have you seen this? Guys. This is getting so crazy, eh? Guys, look the difference. 1K delta. Oh my god. This is getting nasty, eh? This is getting nasty, bro. So, oh my god, Nasdaq. Careful, eh? Careful, guys. So yeah, I would like to long. Also. Yeah, if this Nasdaq holds, but you see, if this falls, Bitcoin will fall. And yeah, be careful For now, we have levels pretty much untapped. So yeah, I would like value area low like a support, but I need Nasdaq to find some sort of support, and in order to okay, accelerating. This is accelerating was pretty nice, but remember trading alts you have this trouble. So if you trade alts, usually this would be a perfect move, but if Nasdaq or Bitcoin stalls, nothing. So let's wait for this 50-minute candle, guys. It's going crazy, eh? Yeah, guys. So it's been crazy. So let me see. Okay. So many things, guys. Sorry if this stream is a bit funky because I have to do so many things for all of you, for my members, all the people that are entering my community, for Chroma, in my house. Today is Monday crazy, so everybody has to do their own stuff, and I'm feeling a bit with so many things. So hope you understand, okay? So now it's been, for me, it's been bullish. So anytime NQ finds some sort of support, Bitcoin will fly. So that's why I'm looking for longs, but the problem is NQ. NQ is looking shit. So that's why I'm not marketing long, because NQ is not looking good. That's why. It's the only problem I'm seeing here. It's the only problem. Bitcoin is looking good, but Nasdaq is looking not. So I just sold all my BTC. Well, 105 is a good area. Yeah, for sure. I will not buy here spot, by the way. So yeah, this is nuking. Actually, this is nuking. Everything is nuking because of Nasdaq, guys. So be careful because Nasdaq is now retracement all the news event, reaching to very area low. So is the last area of defense. So this should hold in order to us to do something. This area should be an area where it holds. If not, bad. And look, altcoins. Actually, I'm gonna close the long I have on my altcoin. I'm gonna close. I think I will be, yeah, more or less break even. More or less break even. I don't wanna be on this one anymore. I wanna fuck this, bro. Yeah, I don't know. I wanna market in or something. Let me see if I can mark this. No. Fuck. Well, whatever. I can move this. I didn't know I can move this. So yeah, well, whatever. This, I don't know. Okay, sorry guys. Nothing. Bitcoin is following. Bitcoin is following the what Nasdaq is doing. So this is so tricky for now to try to do something with this. We need to wait. Let me see if I can get break even on this shit. And let's see. I'm gonna put my phone to not. Okay. So yes. So let's see if I can. So everybody's texting me. Yeah, everybody's texting me now. I'm working. So sorry, guys. For now, Bitcoin is following Nasdaq. We need to wait to see if the Nasdaq finds support, because now trying to long here will be crazy. This open interest has all this for nuke, and this Oh my god, bro. Really, bro, really, really. There you go. Okay, I think break even on that. Yeah, no? Yeah, I got break even on that. Well, no problem. Break even on LTC. Now looking for support. Let me see how many. 3 minutes for open, for closing this. Give a like. So hello Kelchi. Yes. So I would like to long. But I would like something getting some sort of support here on Nasdaq in order me to get any long here, because with so weak Nasdaq, Bitcoin will follow. So I'm scared of long in this area, and it's a good area for a long. But we rejected. We from run VWAP, and we are now creating some sort of rejection that is following Nasdaq. So we will wait for now, guys. So we will wait, and then we will trade this account. So I would like to long a recovery of this. I'm gonna move this here. I don't wanna show nothing that I'm not doing. And this trade was what the fuck, bro? Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin will go for the sweep. Let's wait for the sweep, guys. Let's wait for the sweep of this, and then we will see how we react. Very low. Nasdaq. Guys, the problem here is Nasdaq. You need to look what Nasdaq is doing. Nasdaq is knife falling, guys. That's the problem. In order us to get along. So let's get in chat, guys. How was your weekend? Anybody is talking here? How was your weekend, guys? Too much talkers on the chat. Too much talkers on the chat. Okay, TPO based. So levels that we have marked, I will mark this as a level that this value area low, 103k would be. If we lost all these, we will gonna attack this 130k. That will be around here. That will be here. So yeah. Nasty reaction. So now we're getting a reaction. Let me see. I actually don't like this type, but okay, they tested again. But point of control is here, so nothing. Not good. So we need more candles, guys. We need more candles. We need to trade above this we need to trade above this imbalance here, okay, guys? So this big imbalance is the imbalance that we need to trade above. We tried to trade above. But we couldn't close one more candle. We need one more candle above this area in order to get some sorts of a long. And I would like to mark it in, guys, if we get some sort of long here. So we need something like this, and then we can long here if we start upsetting higher prices here. So that's the thing we are looking, guys. Nasdaq finding some sort of support. Okay, new 15 minutes. Okay, guys. So for now, waiting. So Nasdaq gets some support, then we can long this. Try to long this and see. Okay. 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 I would like to long this like this. If this goes and accept these prices like here, I would like to long above this level and invalidation very low. Looking for 1 to 5, guys. Sorry, 1.5 RR. Nothing too shabby like this. Remember, we're doing this. So this will be my long if we get it. Okay, delta negative, this was good. Delta negative couldn't break down. So now we need follow of Nasdaq. And we will get this trade, guys, together. I think I will get it on all the accounts. I will try. No, I will not do it on all accounts. No, the copy trading account. Well, yes, I will do it. Mainly, I will do it here on Casex, guys, if I can get it. And so, yeah, I need. Yeah, the level is this one. What the fuck? So yeah, let's get. Why 15 minutes? Because 13 minutes for me is enough confirmation. I would like 5 minutes. I also trade. I see something 1 minute for now. It's working to me. Also 30 minutes is working for me nicely. So I don't need to. Go with 5 minutes or 1 minute. So 15 minutes is working for me nice. So yeah, this is the body candle. If we break this body candle, my stop loss will be here. So yeah, that's what we wanna see now. And yeah. So let's prepare this. Okay, let's prepare this, guys. Let's prepare this. This will be. Yeah, I don't want to do a new lows. So yeah, I will prepare it like this. And I will go for 1 to 5. And I want to go in here. So I will need 0.11. That's the beauty of trading. That's why I like trading with low fees, guys. That I can market in and I will get 0.1. Is less than any exchange at the moment. So 0.11, yeah. And I will market long if I get there that level. So yeah. That's why I cannot do this type of stuff. When I'm trading the other accounts on Bluffing or BingX, they are okay for some altcoin trading. It's not so expensive, but for scalping Bitcoin, I prefer Casex at the moment. It's my reality. I'm transparent. I don't care if people don't like what I say. I know everybody doesn't like all exchanges, so people like more Casex or they like BingX or they like Bluffing. I don't really care. If you want to trade any of those exchanges, you can do it. You can do it via my link. My recommendation at the moment is to trade the lower fees as possible, at least if you are preparing to trade my own style. So if you want to trade something like me and scalp with this type of tight stops, I prefer Casex. But yeah, true, if you want to trade Bluffing or BingX, go ahead. I have a link and I will give you the link because I get in support by them also. So if you want to try them, you can. But at the moment we are running this challenge here and we are running the BingX copy, and also I will do a copy trade on the future on Bluffing. But true, I was talking with a lot of people in Chroma and a lot of talents and traders, and they like Casex because of fees. Because trading low fees gives you so much potential that fees are so expensive on other exchanges. So if you're trading on Binance or you're trading on Bybit, I like the liquidity, but the problem is the fees. The fees are too high. Okay, we're getting the explosion we want. And NQ is holding the area we set. Okay, so level set. Now we're moving on to trading. So let's get execution here. Let's go. Sorry, Gory. Let's go. Let's move on. Let me see if I can get best execution ever. Okay. Oh, I got slipped, but it's okay. It's okay. So I'm moving my stops a little bit tighter. So my stops will be here. I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna move my stops to there. So This will be my stop. I'm losing 61. It's okay. If I get stopped, I get stopped. That's not the reality of trading. Is this, and we're gonna move this. 150 will be here. 1.5 hours. Hoping for a push. And if we get stopped, we get stopped. Sorry. Okay. This we got slipped, so I think it's something like this. Yes. Let me move this a little bit so I can show you like this, like we do always. Sorry. Okay, so now you can see the chart. You can see the chart. We can see the footprint. Okay, so yeah, more or less the. So yeah, we are in this long, no limit order. No, guys, no. Session to che. We are trading Casex. I don't use limit orders on Casex because their fees are super ultra low. So you don't need to 0.01, guys. So this is crazy. So here is, look, 0.01, bro. No limit order needed. You don't need limit order, guys. So you just market in, market out, bro. I market in and market out. So when I get here, you will see I market in, market out, bro. Ask Sikon. Sikon is also, he's my manager, and he also gives. I trade limit orders on being X and bluffing because if not, fees devorate me, bro. Devorate me. So if you are trading with me, guys, here on Casex via my link that are in the description, market in, market out, bro. Market in, market out. Fees are stupid. They are nothing, bro. Look, 0.01. It's crazy stuff, huh? And we are here, guys. So let's see if we can get to TP. Value area. This will be a resistance. VWAP is a resistance. We need to nuke through resistance. We need NQ to help, guys. If NQ helps, will it be okay? I don't know why this is moving like this. Fuck this, bro. Okay. No, why I don't see my... Sorry, guys. Now, bro. Now you can see my PNL, you can see my chart, and you can see everything. We need to destroy VWAP. And if we get this win live, guys, I will be the most transparent trader ever seen. Okay, nice push. Okay, I'm preparing to Mercado. I'm gonna 75% when I want. I'm gonna move here so I can. Okay, when I want, I will move 70. So I will close here 75%, guys. So if we get to value area high and we push, I'm gonna close 75%. Yeah, limit 0, guys. 0 limit. You got 0, but why is I can market in if I want, but if you want 0, you limit. So perfect, bro. So that's what we are doing now, guys. And give a follow. You have pinged the referee. And if you want to trade in other exchange that I also support, like being X or bluffing, just text me in my Telegram. You will have also the links. But I will be doing a lot of educational stuff, a lot of streaming. I will stay with my users. I will stay with everybody of you. If you need any help, sometimes I will be on the Discord. So I'm creating a Discord for my community, and in Telegram you can text me on my Telegram. The only thing I need that you support me on the exchanges I support. So you need to be registered. The only thing I need, I don't charge for anything. I only need that you guys get registered. So nasty rejection, VWAP. Oh my god, I don't like this, but that's the thing. Okay, this candle is good until we don't stay below point of control. This trade is good. We need to trade below above VWAP. Okay. So yes, now we are in this trade, guys. Let's see if we can get. Oh my god, so nasty reaction. Let me see if I can, like this. And I move this here. and then this is bigger. Okay, so yeah, that's because NQ is rejecting, guys. So remember that NQ cannot be finished. NQ can be not finished. So if NQ now goes for new lows, the trade can be over. Okay. Another thing I'm gonna change. I'm gonna move this bar timer into bottom right, bottom left. Okay, so we have this here, and it's perfect. Okay, so 159. Yeah, so yes, that's our entries there. No nasty spreads. No, no, no. Ah, but if you enter on an impact, it's perfect. But I got stopped so many times that where my stop is, so I didn't get slipped on my stop loss. So my market orders hit the tape nice. So that's something good. That's why I'm not trading DEX. DEX is called. I'm not trading hyperliquid or at the moment DEX exchanges because the slippage is so bad. I prefer SEC. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I prefer normal exchanges, not decentralized exchanges, because the spread and the stuff and liquidity is so crap that I don't like that. So that's why I prefer to trade on regular exchanges. This was nasty, by the way, guys. So I was happy if we close above BWAP, but they market shorted here so badly. You see, they market short 328 Bitcoin here. That was nasty, bro. That was nasty. So nasty. So careful if you are in this trade. Careful. So for now, let's see. Remember that I'm... Yeah, no fees on maker. Yeah. Remember, guys, that we have... you can... If you are new and you go with my link, you will get a $15 bonus collateral. And you will get more bonus if you trade. But with trading with a 100 account or $50 account, like small accounts, you don't need to be big. If you are big, you're big, but you don't need more, and you will get like a $50 bonus. So yeah, check it out. It's what my personal, for me now at the moment, Kasex and at the moment I think I don't know other exchanges. I don't know. I have to try bluffing. I never tried them. Have to try another, but at the moment the best ones for scalping my strategy is lower fees exchanges, and because the execution needs to be precise. So I don't wanna get stopped and lose more than I would lose if plus fees. You know, that's the main thing. I'm launching the Discord this week. I have so many things to do. Just be active. I have my Telegram and my Twitch. Okay. Find my. I'm gonna send my Telegram, and I'm gonna send. I don't know if Devote or Kelchi, can you send my Telegram if you can, please? Can you send this link? And also, I'm gonna send you guys my X, because be on my X. I post everything there. I have my Telegram there, I think, so you can join there. So yeah, the Discord will be launched soon. I don't why. Sorry. Don't take care. That's no text. My profile. Sorry. Sorry. My bad. No. Discord will be launched soon. This week. But I have to talk with the other partners I have, and we are discussing when to do it. But I will launch it and I will do it. And this Devote sent the Telegram. Nice, Devote. He's my moderator. He's the best, and my editor also. And for now, NQ struggling but finding some sort of support. Bitcoin trying hard. Bitcoin will be safe until it doesn't break point of control again. If it breaks point of control, our trade is over. But for now, oh, nasty. They trying to push Bitcoin lower. That's the problem. But was nice. Was nice. Was not a nice trade. I like how this delta shift. Okay, nasty, bro. So, also, guys, yeah, you will get rewards. Also, what we looking here, guys, it's important. Now I'm gonna, we don't care this trade. This trade, if it goes to TP or stop loss, it is what it is. We're gonna see what is our trading thesis. What I like to trade, I like to trade into values. Okay, so what I like to see here is value, guys. And I want to trade value to value. So here I was looking that they were holding pretty well value, but Nasdaq no. Nasdaq is the main problem. This trade is not already in TP. But what we are trading, guys, is we are trading value to value, okay? So in principle, trading, when we hold an area of point of interest and they try to attack with negative delta and they cannot continue going, usually when the bounce comes and the bounce comes, will rotate to the other value. So that's the main trade I'm doing. For me, it does work a lot. It doesn't have to be like something that is 100%, but it does 75% for me, and that's enough. So, and we're trading this account, this fresh case account from nearly 400. Now was 400. I did some stops, but we are risking. It's a risky play. It's a flip account. We are not going. We are going. We're trading responsible, but we are going hard when we are in our trade. We trade one trade per stream, only one trade per stream, and we will keep doing this in the time, and we will keep adding and adding to everything. So if you are liking what you're seeing, ask me questions. When did you learn this theory? I'm equity trading. I was trading Nasdaq for 2 years in prop firms and stuff. Before I was a crypto trader. I've been trading like for 7 years now. I learned the profile and volumes delta from Nasdaq, and I implemented my own strategy. Well, my own no, I implemented the strategy. This type of strategy is traded for a lot of traders, but I implemented what I learned about Nasdaq on Bitcoin. Okay, so the same principles. So what I look here, I want to look that volume is getting trapped on a stream, and I want to trade when it's getting trapped into the next stream. So if volume gets trapped here, I'm looking for a reaction. I'm looking for a reaction, and I'm looking that they hold, they cannot break this level, and they want to trade into the other value. Most of the times, the trades go in value. So they try to scam or try to break a value, and they go back into value, and they take into point of control. So sorry if that is a mess, but what we see here is that trading usually stays on a range. So what we trade deviations from the range, looking to what they happen. So once we see that everything is aligned, we will see a trade into the opposite side. So that's what I trade, and I like to add confluence as delta open interest. So now we saw here a nuking delta. So every short that was shorting from here, from this candle, the shorts from this candle got spooked on this candle, got out. That's called in trading in Orderflow, that's called refueling. So all the stops of these shorts, that they market short here, they got triggered on these candles. That's why open interest spuked. Okay, so what I'm betting that all these guys that thought that this pump was done, okay, that got spuked, all these ones got spuked here. You see, they got spuked, and now they got some more spuked, all these longs. Now they reset, and now they go for a next run. Usually when we are bullish, okay, we are bullish for, if we go zoom out, we are bullish, guys. We are bullish, okay, no doubt, we are bullish. Usually when they reset, when they reset open interest, they go for a next run. That is my bet on today. If I'm wrong, I will be wrong. I will look. I will go stop loss hit, and I will move the next day. Okay, because my risk management is so tight with what I do that I wanna show you guys that if you have risk management, you can bet on your trading like responsible and get wins like that. Okay, so now what I'm betting is a reset of open interest and a new rise, at least to value area high or these levels. Okay, at least I would like a retest of this area, and then we'll see. So I would like to see a retest of this area. Will be great for me. For this to happen, we need NQ to follow. If NQ now finds some support and goes and attack the VPOC, we will get our trade going, we will get our TP, and we will move the day. We will prepare. I will be active on Telegram, guys, if you need, but we will be done. We can do Q&A, we can do questions, but my trading, if we get to this area, I will be done for the day, okay? In trading, but we can do educational stuff, okay? So, Devote, ¿qué pasa, tío? ¿Cómo va tu trading, tío? ¿Cómo ha ido? ¿Has cogido algún trade ya? ¿Vuelves al trading o volverás el mes que viene? ¿Cómo vas? ¿Cómo vas? ¿Cómo vas, tío? Ahora de momento es esto. Esto. Also, guys, something important I really like. For me, we are not trading ICT. So for me, these imbalance are more relevant than time imbalance. This is our volume imbalance. You see volume imbalance. These are imbalance that are created by volume. So when these players were aggressive on the tape, so if all these players start trading above, these players will be underwater. So they will keep closing their shorts, and this will fuel the market up. Okay, that's what we're waiting. Sí, créatela y así ya la tienes. Cuando la fondees poquito a poco, Devote, como te dije, poquito a poco. Aquí con low fees puedes ir tradeando como hace el DMAC. Con $5, con $10 de stop, $3 de stop, lo que tú quieras. 5, yo haría de 5 en 5, lo que tú veas, pero poquito, bro. Tienes que aprender a estar tiempo y que cada vez te veas más seguro. ¿Vale? Es lo que queremos ahora este mes. O el mes que viene incluso. ¿Vale? Poquito a poco, Devote. Okay, so yes, he's creating a sex account. Don't wait to do it. Also, another thing that I would like to, that's why I like Essex for this, no, for fees. But I would like that Essex, or I like the change that trade here on this platform that is Till Street. This is a trading platform where you can imagine I want to enter long here and I want to risk. Imagine 10%. So this calculates 10% here, and when I move my stop, it will calculate how many Bitcoin I have to open in order to open this in real time. So when I go market, it will open the necessary to here be my stop loss of 10%. That's amazing tool, and that's why I trade the other accounts here in this Till Street stuff. I think in the future, every exchange will have this because it's a crazy stuff. You can have Agar and stuff, so it's pretty dope this also. Let's see if we can get Bitcoin above this level or it will be shit. Okay, so moving on to Atas, moving on to this is my, yeah, so yeah, 105 will be my 75%. 105k. Yeah, that will be my 75k of my long if we get there, and the rest I will leave, and I will leave the rest for the highs if they get it. But for now we are tanking here. Something bad that I don't like from this trade, guys, is that we are tanking. We are not closing above this previous zone. So I like to mark this as a zone. So this zone was the old zone that we got here. I'm gonna mark not the body of the candles. So yeah, this will be the zone. So this zone, for me, we need to reclaim it. In order to be bullish on this trade, we need to reclaim this zone. So if we reclaim this zone, because Nasdaq pushes, that's a problem. If Nasdaq push, we will be okay. Okay, so if we reclaim this zone, we will be Gucci with the trade. Let me sweep this. Not this. I'm gonna delete. Oh my god, what I did. Okay, that's the problem. We're rejecting this area. This can be a problem for us if we start because here this imbalance, guys, of this big delta, you see this cluster delta, all this cluster delta. If we start trading below, the possibility that the trade goes south and we get stopped is pretty high. Why? Because then again these guys will be in control. Okay, Nasdaq for now is holding, Bitcoin is rejecting VWAP. Bitcoin is creating a move, so look, open interest increasing, so they are opening shorts because price is not going down, it's not going up, so they are opening shorts, betting on a new low. Okay, they are betting on a new low and they are opening shorts here, so they are market shorting this and they are absorbing new shorts. So we are waiting. Remember, guys, something, that market is moved by market orders. Limit orders are passive people waiting to get filled, but the market is searching and is moving with market orders. So all these you see here, open interest, the footprint, everything you see here are market orders. Okay, so there are market orders on the left side, and in the right side there are market buys. Okay, so this side is all the market orders that are hitting the tape pretty fast. Look, they're creating imbalance, so they are trying to move market price lower. So now is the battle that if these guys win or the other side wins. Okay, and we depend on this motherfucker. Sorry, the saying. Okay, so this will be for now we are underwater, but we are betting for something like this and see if we can get it. Okay, Degoteo y yo empezó el fondeo hace poco. No ha empezado este fondeo. Él se fondea sus cuentillas de cripto. De momento no ha hecho fondeo ni tampoco quiero marear a Devoté. No me lo marees, Javier, porque está empezando a su ritmo y no vayamos por ahí, pobre. Que sería mucho mareo, Javier. ¿Sabes? Prefiero que lo haga a su manera. Él está cómodo con su cuenta real, arriesgando poco. El fondeo, la verdad que le causaría presión porque creo que no lo ha probado y no quiero que mezclemos asuntos. ¿Ok? Ya más adelante ya empezará, ya le empiezo a ayudar yo. Yo personalmente con Devoté estoy ayudándole mucho personalmente. Y ahora que soy pequeñito, nada, I'm little, I'm doing a lot of help. I wanna grow. When I grow, I will have less time. So if now you need to, if you want me to help you, now is the time that I'm little, I'm small and I don't have many people that want my help. But if I start growing, I will have less time. Okay, so if you not have any question now, just ask me. Okay. So now this is the main problem. Okay, so moving back to ATAS, Nasdaq is pushing, but Bitcoin is rejecting VWAP. And it's creating so much absorption on the selling side that is making this not move higher. But once we break this on, and if we get stopped, we get stopped. But we need to start trading above this imbalance. Now these players are in control, and they're keeping adding shorts here passively because they want to see Bitcoin go lower. That's what's happening. So these players for now are in control. That's why we are underwater. We can get stopped, and this will be the problem. So they can go for a new sweep, and this will not play. But until then, we stay here, okay? Remember, we had a lot of days. We have a lot of days in stream that we win, but someday I will lose. remember, I lose a lot of times. So don't think that this is a win-win copy trading, because I don't do copy trading. I teach here people. So I want to teach people to trade like I do, and what I will not teach, because I'm not financial advisor, but I want to show you my trading style, and I want to show my community what I learned about my years on trading. So what I learned about my years of trading is that once Nasdaq pushes, once you see volume on the equities, and once you see a shift in delta, just follow the trend. For me, we are bullish. It's difficult to me to get a good short now, because I know I can get spuked, but I know that this can sky pump and destroy my TP pretty fast if Nasdaq continues the bullishness. If Nasdaq holds here and goes and attack this and starts trading and attacking again value high, Bitcoin will follow. Okay? So yeah, something I wanted to say. I don't have the perfect trading style. Sorry, I don't have the perfect win rate. I also lose. So it's something that you need to take on consideration, that I'm not win or win. Okay, I'm like a normal trader. Usually I trade live. I trade one trade or two sometimes if it's fast. Okay, but and if we have the opportunity. But usually I have last month in streaming I had like a 75% win rate. 75% win rate daily. So I in winning days. And usually for me and my mental, not trading more than 2 trades per session is the best. Because if you trade more than 2 trades per session, you overtrade, and you will get in that rat hole of I'm gonna get my lose back, or I lost my profit, now I'm gonna do it again, and then you lose, and then you lose more. So the perfect thing is 2 trades per session, so New York or London, or 2 trades per day. 2 trades per day maximum. If you win the first trade, for me, if I win in the first trade, this account is done. So I will not touch this account. If I go to TP, the Kazakhs account, I will not touch it. I will go, and if I find a trade, I will trade in another account or whatever you want. That's what is good to have different accounts, because you get responsible about your trading and you don't gamble. So that worked for me a lot. That is what I do on Profrims, okay? Yes, I will share it on Telegram. So follow me, my socials, my Twitter and my Telegram, and I will send it, guys. I will send it to everybody that has a link with one of my referees. So if you are using Kazakhs, if you are using BingX, if you are using Bluffing. But I want to give away things to my community. Also, I was talking with Sikon to next Friday, and I will say here to the 15 people that are here with me, next Friday I'm doing a giveaway of $50 to one of my viewers. The only thing you will need to be on my UID, and I will give you $50 USDT. Okay, I will give away to my viewers. I want to start giving away something, so it will come all about the profits we do on the week. So I will give one of you $50 to your account. I will send it. Okay, so be in contact, because I will give a giveaway on Friday. So new giveaway on Friday. Remember, guys. So the guys that are new, you need to follow me in Twitter, follow me in Telegram, get an account on my referees, and then I will give to the winner a $50 USDT. Okay, Nasdaq rejecting, did a new high but reject. Nasdaq is on trouble now, so that's why Bitcoin also, that can lead us to Bitcoin stop loss. So yeah. No, liquid tether. So you will give me your address and I will send you $50 to the winner. And I will do this type of bonus, or this type of USDT or bonus every Friday. I want to do something like that in order to give to my community. Everything will come about what we learn and what profit we done on the week. So if I win with you guys, I will give you, and if you want to help me, to just go buy my referees. That's the only help I want. I don't charge for anything. Everything my content is free. So the only thing you help me is by trading via my referees. And I will give giveaways, I will give templates, I will do 1v1 one-on-ones to people that really, really help and really, really need my help. So that's something take in consideration. Nasdaq is not doing nothing. That is making me trouble. Devotech gives you the Telegram channel, guys. Here you have it. Okay, yeah. So now we are working on this. Do you have, guys, do you have any question? Remember to give a like. I don't know how many likes you have. I think I have it here. 11. We are 16. Remember, giveaway on Friday. So the giveaway will be on Friday. So yeah, giveaway on Friday. The last day of the week. I will do a giveaway. So remember to pass this channel to your colleagues. Unlucky we get the first trade of the week as stop loss. This could be a stop loss of the first stop loss of the week, no problem. The thing with stop loss and stuff, guys, you need to get rid about money and about your trading like a failure. It's not failing to get a stop loss. There's no you don't need to see. They will be lying if you are looking to anybody learning and they say they are 100% accurate. There's nothing 100% accurate, because if there was, everybody will be millionaire, or a lot of people will be millionaire. And trading is hard. So trading, the long run you get is when you understand that when you get stopped, you look why, you journal, and then you go to the next. Like if it doesn't happen, you need to be perfectly prepared mentally when you enter in the trade. What I did, okay, I want to reach $60, so I put my stop loss like a $60, and I know I don't care if I get $60 loss. That was the trade for today. Okay, thank you, bro. Sí, luego me lo preguntas, Javier, otra vez, o tú que tienes bastante confianza conmigo, me mandas un Telegram, un audio, bro. Porque hay veces que en el chat estoy al trading, estoy a esto, me salen notificaciones, tal. No pillo todo, ¿sabes? Entonces, si es una pregunta así buena o para contenido para un vídeo, me mandas un Telegram personal y yo te respondo, ¿vale? Hello, Parawin. Okay, we are in this trade with Kaylin. I think we're gonna get stopped. The scissors on this trade was this negative delta candle that got bought up. Then was a retest, and in the retest was pretty hard. Everybody nuking delta here with this bounce. I got market in, but then we're getting rejected about VWAP. They rejected VWAP, and then we're getting rejected. That's the trade from today. I think the trading will be. I don't know if I will get any other account trade, but if this trade is done, this account will be done for today. So yeah. For the new guys that are here, we are doing a giveaway on Friday. For the users that are in the stream on Friday at the ending of the stream, of $50 cash for one of the viewers. And I want to do that every Friday to give for my community. And I want to implement that everybody that wants to participate on the giveaway needs to be signed via my link to the exchanges, in this case Casex, or the exchange, all the exchanges I'm using, because I'm gonna see the UID of who wins. And if he is the one that wins, he has to have UID. He has to send me their UID of Casex in this case. So because I will send you cash, but I will send it via UID. So you need to be registered by my name, okay? So will be cash, but I need you guys to support me also with a little bit of trading via my links. This trade is, I don't know if we're gonna hold this trade more. I think we're gonna get stopped. This rejection was nasty. This imbalance here, these guys are holding pretty strong now. Shorts are holding pretty strong here in this area, and Nasdaq is showing so much weakness. He did a pretty long, pretty good run here, but now is tanking, and this can lead into some sort of break here and go, you know. So I don't know why people were calling for a orange man thing. Orange man is fucking the market so hard. I don't know why, guys, you go, oh, we're going to the moon. Equally, this week was bullish. It can be like this, that we are bearish again. So okay, stop loss hit nearly now. Yes, stop loss, good stop loss, because look where we're going. Okay, nuke. So yes, we got stop loss, and we move next. Okay, Nasdaq has the lower bar deviation of, so if they extend this, okay, Bitcoin. Yeah, look, I think we had a tweet or something. Let me see what's happening, because orange man, and now everybody is bulla. It's funny, like everybody is bulla, and I don't know why. 1K negative delta. Oh my god. What was the level we were looking? Yeah, this one. 103. Oh my god. Any news? Guys, do you have any news? Nothing said short on your strategy. Yeah, but I don't do break evens. More as I do low. I don't do so much break evens, and my strategy said short here. I know that I was a bit fucked when I see this point of control here on top. That's the main thing I saw. Nasdaq. Yeah, Nasdaq going. So where are the moon guys? Hello, brother. Where are the moon guys now that Bitcoin is rugging? From today we are like nearly 3%. So this can run. Where are the moon guys now? Where are the people that were looking for 107k? Where are they now? They are not buying? Where is the chat? ¿Dónde están? Está Paolo aquí, pero yo no veo. ¿Dónde están los moon? O sea, que nos vamos al moon. Como rompamos esto te cae a 90, bro. If we break this will be nasty. You see, if we break this will be nasty, guys. Come on. Okay. Thank you, Paolo. Yeah, that's what I think. They need a retest, guys. They need a retest, but you know, Paolo, sé lo que quiero. You know what I want, Paolo? Mal por culo. I want this, bro. And then everybody on their altcoins will be otra vez. I want that, to see everybody panicking on their altcoins. Because I hate people that only talk when, I don't know, this is not trading for me, guys. I'm gonna talk about this. For me, it's not trading when for me it's not trading when you are like holding an altcoin, praying for that to go up, and when you have 2 weeks of upside, you are like, oh, I'm a trader, my fucking shitcoin is up, and you were being like this for 2 months when Bitcoin was going down. ¿Qué pasa, compu? So that is the guys that I hate in CT. The guys that shit coins and their posts go viral like 44K on Twitter. And they were being like this for 2 months. When their shit coins were going down and down and down and down. They were like this, bro. And now nothing. That's why I want them like again underwater. To show them that shitcoin trading is nothing, bro. No sirve para nada, bro. Pero bueno. Okay. Good level here. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. Back to the business, guys. Back to the business. So now I will stop doing stupid. Now I'm gonna back to the business. Nice reaction, nice reaction, nice reaction, and let's see if we can get a trade. Back to the business. Yeah, you see, I don't know, this decouple. So Bitcoin reaches a good level, Nasdaq loses the level. Well, whatever, bro. Okay, point of control, guys. Point of control, good level here. Let me move this here. I'm gonna move here, and I'm gonna this. For now, this account in 300. I'm not touching it for today. I have to be responsible, so this account is not getting touched. This is. I'm gonna look if I can trade on the other ones. Okay. Okay, I like this. No se va a escapar sin mí. I'm gonna wait a retest. If it moves without me. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Gonna wait a new candle of 5 minutes. I'm gonna wait a 5-minute candle, guys. I wanna wait a 5-minute candle here. Okay. Sorry if I'm not reading chat now. I'm not reading chat. I will like some sort of retest now here. But this can, oh my god. So he picked me for go? Really? Nasdaq. No lo veo, no lo veo muy... O sea, sí, pero no. Sí, pero no. Let me read chat. ¿Hay alguna manera para poner aquí el chat? No, ¿no? No, ¿no? Joder, tío. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I'm not doing altcoins. Like, yeah, I wanted to trade altcoins, but altcoins, I don't know. What did mira el LTC, bro. Look this nuke, bro. And now it's pumping again. So, yeah, look, it lost value area low. And this acceleration, yeah, if it consolidates here, this could lead into a pump, you know, but yeah, or it also can fall like this, bro. So yeah, vale, vale. So we could look for something like this. Let me see this. Let me see this. Okay. Okay, I'm risking 10% on this trade on the other account, on the Bing X account. That's copy trading, so I need to be careful. I'm gonna set the long and then I will set it here. I'm gonna... Fuck, se me va a ir otra vez. Me cago en la madre que me trajo. 5 minutos. 10% preview. Vale. La invalidación... Sí, la invalidación tiene que ser la vela porque es el POC. ¿Y qué está haciendo el Nasdaq? ¿Qué está haciendo el Nasdaq? And if I lose this trade, guys, if I lose this trade, I will move on and I will... So I'm gonna marketing. Okay, my trade is... Yeah, my trade is here. I'm gonna show you now, guys. No, I'm gonna show you. So we are in this trade, guys. My invalidation is this week, and I'm only risking 10% because it's the copy. ¿Qué coño? Long. Okay. Yeah. And if I get rook this time again, I'm not trading anymore today, so I will stick to streaming and asking questions on whatever you want, guys. I wanna see something more than... I wanna see this run for at least 2 hours. Yeah. I wanna see this run at least 2 hours. Yeah. So okay. Okay, chat. So now we are in this trade, okay? So for now, what we seeing, let me put this. Vale, quiero poner esto de alguna manera así. Lo voy a poner. You want, guys? You wanna see? What do you wanna see? You wanna see this or Atas, guys? You wanna see Till Street or Atas? Tell me. What do you wanna see, guys? You guys wanna see the trade on Till Street or you wanna see Atas? So yeah, this is the copy trading account. If Second is here, Second, can you do copy trading on Cathex, please? Please. And also, I trade one by time. I will do some trading this week also on the bluffing account. But yeah, let's see where we get. Atas, you wanna see Atas, no? Okay, let's move to Atas then. Let's move to Atas. And yeah, let's move to Atas. I will move this to Atas. Okay, you wanna see Atas, no? You wanna see... So what I gonna do is I can move this like this. So you can see Atas and trade. This is perfect, no? You like it like this? So you can see everything, the trade and Atas. So for now, we did a good rejection, nasty again, delta. So but now we are counter trading. So when you counter trade, be careful because we are negative delta for the week, for the session. We had 9K in volume, 6K, 2K. So when it's going up, volume is drying. Sigon, can you copy trade? Can you do copy trading on Kasex soon, bro? And Till Street integration. That's my asking. Till Street integration and copy trading on Kasex soon. Okay, so I don't know why my stream is lagging. So when this happens, so we are counter trading. You see that volume on the down candles is pretty high, 9K. Okay, but in the when it gets to here to the resistance, it dries volume. That's the thing. When you are counter trading, you will see a lot. So you need to be prepared because it happens the thing that when you don't see an increase in volume to break a resistance, usually like domino effect, like it breaks, it goes down, tries to go up, and then colleja and goes down, no? So in order to break this, we need to break this value area low again and reclaim it, and then we will be safe, and we will go again to this resistance, last resistance that will be my TP. But for now is 15 minutes to close. I'm seeing the 5 minutes. Oh fuck! I'm seeing the 5 minutes for now. We are trading on the tail, so if this is a big tail, we'll run a lot. But yeah, my TP will be there. I don't wanna risk so much. Yeah, you waiting the 50 minutes to close. I think I don't wanna get so many retests, bro. If I get a retest, I'm scared that I'm gonna get swept again. Will be my last trade for today. I don't wanna, and I will move to the gym and rebalance myself for tomorrow. But yes, for now to be safe, like how is your name? HFG told that 2 minutes for the 50 minutes close. I will short. If you are shorting, I will short here. If you're shorting, I will short here like this, and my invalidation will be like point of control, and I will short. I don't know why this is fixed to 1, bro. Yeah. My invalidation will be like somehow like this, and I will target like new low, like 1, 2, 3, like this. I will short here. If I want to short, I will short here. You know? But don't counter trade me, bro. Why are you counter trading, bro? I will call Anthony, bro. I will say, Anthony, HFG is counter trading me, bro. I will say to Anthony, bro. I will call him. I'm calling him now, bro. Oh my god, yes. So yeah, now we need the 15-minute candle. Bro, what it will be so bullish? We reclaim value area low and we reclaim this. That will be so bullish. But lower deviation nuke, that can be also in play, bro. Lower deviation nuke and then play. Also, I gonna give, because we did the scalp. Today was wrong with Kasek's best fees on down. I'm gonna give my links in the other because I wanna send them, because if you wanna try them, we are also sponsored by them. So we're gonna give the link. Account analysis. No. I'm checking some stuff. Okay, here is my, if you wanna try, I wanna see how the chat, if the chat likes, I'm gonna give you the link of bluffing also. This is my bluffing link, so if you wanna try it, you will support me also, because I want people that trade via my links, and at the moment I'm giving more till something is fixed with my Bing X. I'm giving the links of Casex and of Bluffing, okay, for you guys to trade via my link. At the moment are my partners that the people that are behind me are good. So Sikon with Casex and in Bluffing my other partner. So you will support me. I know people like to trade on the exchange they like, so I'm not forcing you guys to trade on Casex because I want you to trade there. I will like because I will use it my own money. Casex, I have my own money on Casex, so and I'm trading there, and I will keep trading there because the fees are super low. The spreads are nothing. So when I get stopped, I get stopped by the money I see I was gonna stop loss. So that's the thing I like. So if you wanna support me, guys, support me on Casex and support me on Bluffing. Bluffing, I started with them today. I haven't. I traded on the past also. So these two exchanges, no KC, are the best for now option. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. I think this will be two losses in a row if this doesn't hold, bro. So yes, so in order you to support me, guys, you need to register via my link. I'm giving you non-KC exchanges. So Casex and Bluffing are the two partners I have at the moment. That the guys are good, they are respectful, and is what I like. Okay, guys. So hope you enjoy. And now you have two options. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think this trade, Bitcoin is breaking now the bullishness for the week, but this could be the low of the week, and then we can bounce. But for now is, and I don't know why it's going the other way. When Nasdaq is weak, Bitcoin is hard. When Nasdaq is hard, Bitcoin is weak. This decouple I don't like, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Bueno, ¿qué se le va a hacer? Thank you, Paul. If you are joining my, yeah, you have me like a podcast. So we are learning this today. Some days market is like this. So remember, we got a stop loss. I'm transparent. I got a stop loss of $60 on Casex account. We move some steps back on the challenge. No problem. I'm used to it. Then this 10%, we get a 10% trade on the Bing X account, and we can get to stop loss because it's rejecting now again. Big up to Monero. I don't like to look, but yeah, I will look it for you. Monero, you want Monero? Monero. What the fuck, bro? Monero. How is called MKR, no? Monero is how is the ticker for Monero? Es MKR, no? Maker, no? Monero. Send me the ticker for Monero, and I will look it for you. Yeah. And you completely right, bro. You completely right now with that, because now we are trending lower. We are below VWAP. We are below of the deviation, below VVAL, below POC. We're below everything, bro. Now I'm doing something. In this rejection, I like it, but now it's getting again bad. But and how he says a good long will be this. Will be a long that we reclaim value area low, and then we are targeting here the 106 or something. This will be a good long. Until here, this is bad because now we are trading below all the last supports. Okay, so now we are trading for new lows. Okay, XMR, vale. XMR, MDLR, MDLR, XMR, Binance Futures. Yeah. Oh. Look, Monero, look CBD, bro. CBD rising and rising and rising. Oh my god, Monero, if... Oh my god, eh? That... You don't think that esta escalerita en algún momento la van a reventar? You don't think that this some point it will lose? Because it's... Bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Monero, bro. Well, I don't trade that type of things. Now I'm gonna get stopped. And I'm gonna get stopped. If I get stopped, it will be a 2 stop loss in a day. I finish the day. And I will move on to my other things I have to do. So yeah. For now, we are in a long in Bitcoin getting wrecked. Nasdaq rejecting point of control. This, if Nasdaq doesn't pump now and leaves point of control behind, this can lead to a new low, and then if we do a new low, Bitcoin will follow. Bitcoin now is... Está en disbelief, bro. Bitcoin now is... people are shorting this Bitcoin as... como si no hubiese mañana, bro. Actually, I don't see Bitcoin. I will be surprised if I see Bitcoin this week or next week in 120 or 110. I will be pretty surprised because I think this will be a fail auction, this area 106, 105, and we will go lower and lower and lower. I see this as a fail auction, exit liquidity and down, that more than a run, bro. I don't know. It's difficult to me to see Bitcoin or S&P going for all-time highs when we have war in Pakistan. Well, it's nearly ended, but possible again. Ukraine war doesn't end it. Tariffs everywhere. Europe being in tension with Ukraine and United States. So with all this on the world, I don't see everything going to all-time highs. It's not only gold, but I don't see everything going to all-time highs. It's pretty difficult to me to think that we are now in a market where we are gonna see all-time highs now, with the world so fucked up, and like this to get into a World War III. I don't really think that is happening now. For me, it's pretty hard to think that and 105 Bitcoin is crazy, eh? It's crazy, bro. No, my god, oh my god. Nasdaq pumping and Bitcoin shitting on his pants, bro. Today is over for me, guys. Parece buy the rumor, ¿sabes? No, sell ahora de la noticia, bro. Parece que están vendiendo ya la noticia. Parece que la están vendiendo. Si me estopea esta entrada, a tomar por culo, ha sido mal día, he leído mal, es lo que pasa y no voy a sobreoperar. No voy a sobreoperar porque no ha salido bien. Entonces, ¿qué se va a hacer, tío? Bitcoin no reacciona. No quiere, la gente está shorteando. O sea, solo shortea la peña, no, nadie compra. El volumen, the volume when it goes up is shit, and when it goes down is hard. So people are shorting, like HFG says now. I thought this was a sweep and go, and it's no, they're going for continuation. They're going for continuation. Yeah. yeah, I'm gonna rewatch this stream later by myself because it will be upload, and I will see my mistake. My mistake was reading badly. When in the first pump on the first trade, I should exit at least half of my position. Uh, when I was next to VWAP, and when I see they lost VWAP, usually that type of situations, when they lose VWAP so hardly, or you go out for a small loss, or you take TP, or you go break even. So I will watch my stream and I will see what I did. I know what I did, so I'm just telling you because now I'm telling you. But that was my mistake. I could go out on the VWAP, or at least break even, and I didn't on the first trade. And this trade was also momentum, but momentum didn't follow. So yeah, now we are on a trading environment that you see now is holding, and Nasdaq is falling. It's looking like it's want to fall on the cliff, and Bitcoin is holding. When Nasdaq falls, Bitcoin will try to hold, and then Nasdaq will be here, and Bitcoin will do. You will see, guys. So yeah, but I wanna and I'm not only a teacher. I wanna show in reality what is trading, because I can have 10 winning days and I can have these days, and in the past what I would do in the past, and I know that a lot of people in the chat, we are 12 now, a lot of people in the chat will do, is you will keep trading and trying to win your trade because and get your losses back, and that was my killer. So I said I do 2 trades. I did one was stop loss. I get this one. If this one goes to stop loss, I'm not trading anymore. I'm not executing any more trades. I will do posts for Chroma. I will do posts for Twitter. I will answer questions. I will be on my Telegram. I will go to the gym. I will go and I have to answer also my friends that are waiting me. So I will do another stuff. 2 trades per day, c'est fini, bro. 2 trades per day, c'est fini. So we took one, we lost. We took another one. If we lose this one, no more trading till tomorrow. And tomorrow is the next day. Tomorrow will be different. Tomorrow I don't care if I lose today. Tomorrow I will execute the same. If I see my entry, I will execute my trade. And I don't care that today I lose 2 trades. In my mind, I will be completely okay with these trades. So remember that you need to detach what happened yesterday. So if you get a lose, you need to execute the next trade irresponsible of what you lose last one. If you are getting so emotional to your losses, it's because you are risking too much money, or you are risking much money that you want to lose. If you are okay by losing and you execute like a robot, you will be better trading. Okay, what I was saying, you see Nasdaq falling the cliff, VPOC rejection going down. I don't know, guys, why you see market bullish. Okay, this news was bullish, but market reacted to the news and now it's not following. I misread this. This was my mistake. I thought that market will be bullish with this news, and market hates what is Orange Man saying, because he says we're gonna negotiate with China, and then 2 hours later says no, we are not, or we are not doing that, or the other way, So I don't like what Orange Man is doing with the world. He's playing with shit stuff. That's why market doesn't give a fuck. So reacts to something, and the market is waiting for any counterparty decision to move. This is gonna go to stop loss. NQ is not looking good. NQ is not looking good. I'm thinking on cutting this before stop loss. I'm thinking on cutting this. Or we get a rejection, or I'm thinking on cutting this like. we get now a pump or something, or this is looking ugly as fuck. There's no buyback, bro. There's no buyback, so oh my god. You see, every time they buy back, the Binance is selling. This is Binance Spot. Binance Spot is selling, bro. This is shit, bro. For be bullish, we need to recover. We need to recover the areas of these areas for be bullish, guys, and then we can think about being bullish. But for now, Nasdaq is struggling. Bitcoin is getting denied every time. So, guys, if you are new to the stream, because I'm seeing new members popping up, we are trading we're doing a challenge on KSX. We're doing challenge on BingX and bluffing. So if you wanna support me, you have the links here on my description. They are pinned also on the chat. Remember to give a like. We're trading live every day. I'm active on YouTube and I'm active on Telegram and on X. Soon I will do also stream on X. If you like what you see, just give a like, guys. Give a like, is free. Please give a like. Giving a like is free, so if you like the stream, just give a like. This trade, if it goes to TP. Also, and I will put it here, giveaway on Friday. Let me see if I can put an image or something. This is going to stop loss. So I'm giving away $50 for my viewers on Friday. Will be my first giveaway. I hope I can get a lot of viewers waiting the giveaway. The only thing you need to do is be registered via my link on my exchanges. I'm getting support, so KSX and bluffing. So I need you are involved on me. So in order to win the giveaway, you need to be registered there with me, my referral link. Okay. And if this trade gets to stop loss, we are done for the day, guys. 2 trades per day, guys. Remember, and that's the key for. Is what is working for me, guys. It's not the key. It's what is working for me. All this negative delta is acting now as resistance. So how HF says. Should I stream too, brother? Your long was corrected here. Yeah. You should stream too, bro. You should stream too. You should stream too and be partner also with exchanges, bro. Yes, no, we and the reality about trading and streaming, people don't like to lose in stream. I don't really care. That doesn't make me bad trader because I'm good trader on the long term. I will, but I'm mad, man. I use Milex average. Where you use that? Okay, we're gonna get stopped. Nice Bitcoin. Bitcoin is being rude to me today. It's being rude. Nasdaq is holding and Bitcoin is rugging. Oh my god. Bitcoin. These days I don't want to trade, bro. But well, never mind. It is what it is. It is what it is. Milex, ¿por qué no pensé en el short? Porque de verdad que pienso que en algún momento, después de este stop loss que me ha hecho ahora, va a subir, bro. Te juro que yo no veo como que ahora te va a hacer un 10% te va a ir cayendo. Si no, es que, bueno, es lo que hay. Va. Shit. Okay, I'm not trading anymore today. Got 2 stops. Now this can run if they want. It. I don't care. And actually now they're doing for the sweep of the sweep. Su puta madre, ahora va a correr. Pero es lo que hay, guys. So Uy, ¿por qué esto? So yeah, now this we got swept this level again. Let me see now delta. Let's see how we're reacting, guys. Yeah, I'm preparing educational content, and I'm doing also I have a webinar with Atas, guys. This week I have to do a photo for Atas. They asked me for a photo, así a lo jugador del LOL, ¿sabes, Paolo? Y I will do the stream with Atas, and it will be educational. So yeah. So now, what we have here, we lose value area low from this value area low section. We have these lows. This could be perfectly a sweep, the sweep we wanted. This new in open interest now is reset, completely reset, guys. Look this. Now they completely reset, nearly completely reset from the pump. Este era el pump, ¿no? Esta es la vela del pump, ¿no? So if they reset open interest, yes. Okay, so guys, looking sadly, yes, looking sad for NQ, but NQ is doing some type of NQ. If NQ breaks this level now in the afternoon session, NQ can fly more than Bitcoin. And NQ, Nasdaq being sad to me, bro, and Bitcoin doing sad things to me. Near to a reset, guys. Okay. So what we learned here, guys? Two trades. The movement once we lost this, like they say, will be bearish till we reclaim this. This will be bearish till we reclaim now this area. So now we are bearish. Hay que resetear, chicos. ¿Cómo estás, Paulillo? ¿Sigues en Mexi o qué? ¿O dónde estás? Creo que me voy a ir ya a hablar con Víctor para el tema de croma, del canal y de todo eso, ¿eh? Me voy a ir a preparar la presentación. See, I hate this. What do you hate? The reclaim. No, bro, this is so nice, bro. This is what I was looking. You know, you see, they forced to do another more nuke in open interest. Look, they nuke it. They nuke delta. So they nuke delta here. Look, bam. You see? So now, but I'm not longing anymore because I already got stopped twice. But yeah, nothing will say that is long, bro. This can go and do more lows, bro. But they reset. Look, this is the candle of the pump, and this is the open interest of the pump. Now they reset. So now here, sometimes in principle, when they reset open interest, sí, sigues en Mexi. Es que no sé por qué te gusta ese Mexi, bro. Eres muy cabezón, tío. Bro, para Mexi, si te contase las cosas turbias que sé, ahora que estoy dentro de los exchange, Paolo, correrías de Mexi. Te lo digo en serio, no te lo digo por... A mí no me da igual porque eres tú, al revés, ¿qué va? ¿Cómo me va a dar igual? Eres tú, tío. Eres tú. No, ya te contaré, bro, y ten cuidado con Mexi. Entonces, now we are in a reset from open interest. So this can nuke also, yeah, can nuke, but now in this reset is possible for a rebound. Luego, ahora no, aquí no, en directo no, la que te contaré luego. Me llamas o te hablo por Insta. So now, if you're looking for a long with this fall, we are ready. How much we did? %3.3%. If NQ bounces, you can get this as a possible long, like trying for long this, but be careful. ¿Vale? Bueno, chicos, voy a ir cerrando el stream, que tengo que hacer un montón de cosas. ¿Ok? I like how you... Sí. Yeah, possible. But look, they're going for attack again. I will be online tomorrow, guys. Hope we can do better trading. And hope we are ready for the next trade, okay? Today was 2 stop loss. I'm pretty transparent, guys. Hope you liking my stream. This is trading. Some days we lose, some days we win. Tomorrow we will be open at New York Open, and hope we can get better trades. Thank you. Nos vemos, Joel Buena. Nos vemos, Tuche. See you, Kelchi. See you, everybody. Hope you enjoy watching my stream, okay? Bye-bye.
Я ждал всю жизнь сигнал любить. Тайм-аут, baby, тайм-аут. Увы, я знал, что ты сигнал любить. Тайм-аут, baby, тайм-аут. Увы, я